In this video, we review Interactive Brokers versus Charles Schwab. Have you used Interactive Brokers versus Charles Schwab before? What was your experience? Leave your Interactive Brokers versus Charles Schwab review in the comments section below. Did you know that as of 2023, Interactive Brokers processed an average of 3 million trades per trading day, making it the largest electronic trading platform in the US by this metric? Additionally, Charles Schwab, with over 50 years in the brokerage industry, manages approximately $7.5 trillion in client assets, underscoring its significant presence in the financial sector. When comparing Interactive Brokers, IB, and Charles Schwab, both stand out as prominent brokerage firms, each offering distinct advantages tailored to different types of investors. Interactive Brokers is renowned for its advanced trading tools and extensive market access. It provides direct market access to a wide array of financial instruments, including stocks, options, futures, Forex, bonds, and ETFs, across numerous global markets. This broad spectrum appeals particularly to active traders and international investors seeking diverse opportunities. Moreover, IB's fee structure is competitive, featuring low commissions that attract cost-conscious traders. However, some users have noted that the platform's complexity can be daunting, especially for beginners. The advanced features, while powerful, may present a steep learning curve for those new to investing. Additionally, there have been mentions of challenges related to customer service responsiveness and the account opening process, which could be areas of concern for potential clients. On the other hand, Charles Schwab is celebrated for its user-friendly interface and comprehensive customer support. It offers a vast selection of mutual funds, ETFs, and other investment products, catering well to long-term investors and those seeking a more straightforward investing experience. Schwab's educational resources are extensive, providing valuable support to beginners aiming to enhance their financial literacy. Furthermore, Schwab has eliminated commissions on online stock, ETF, and options trades, making it an attractive option for cost-conscious investors. However, some users have pointed out that Schwab's research tools, while adequate, may not be as advanced as those offered by Interactive Brokers. Additionally, the interest rates on uninvested cash balances at Schwab are relatively low, which might be a drawback for investors looking to maximize returns on idle funds. In summary, the choice between Interactive Brokers and Charles Schwab should be guided by your individual investment needs and experience level. If you are an active trader seeking advanced tools and access to international markets, Interactive Brokers may be the more suitable option, despite its complexity and potential customer service challenges. Conversely, if you prefer a user-friendly platform with robust customer support and educational resources, Charles Schwab could be the better fit, keeping in mind the limitations in research tool sophistication and lower interest rates on uninvested cash.